Welcome to Pavithra Laptop Care. This IC is a little bit latest one. It's a 2019 released one, but he couldn't get any information regarding this, so that's why this video. Okay. See, in a Asus motherboard, I got this particular IC, not H, actually BH I got. So what the major difference between these two ICs? Really, we don't know. But for looking, it's both are same. Okay, but we don't have a clear data sheet for this. Okay, we have only pin configuration. Okay, anyway, using the schematic, we will check all the things. And I already made a video. It's a practical video I made in Asus motherboard. It's a 502 gaming laptop, I think so. In that, two charging IC were there. One is BQ24780S and this one Intercell 88738BH. Okay. So BH, the practical experiment, what was there, those things I have video. So that one in this video I am going to show you. Now let us check the schematic, what it contains, what are the pins it contains. See, this is the ISL9538HRTZ. Actually this schematic is Dell laptop's schematic. Okay, so using this schematic we will compare all the pins. See, this one is pin number 1 to 32. Total 32 pins are there. One side 8 pins. Okay. Now see, the common things I will tell you. Anywhere, any charging IC, if you see, there will be two CLR. Right. See, this is the one. This is the main adapter CLR, and here is the battery CLR. Okay. So as usual, it's very clear. 2 pins plus 2 pins, easily we can identify. See, this is the battery sides. What it is? It is CS on, CS OP. N means negative, P is positive. Okay, so 1 and 2 over 3. V6 is see, this is actually output. Here 19 volt it has given, sometimes 17 we will get in this particular IC. Boot 2, see, 2 and 1, these all are 2 channels. So if it is connected to, both will show you. Okay, the phase, the 2 phase it will show. One phase is particular voltage and the other phase is particular voltage. Diagram will be there, but here how they are used, that I don't know, but anyway we will check. It's a 2 phase. Here is the phase number 2 and here is the phase number 1. So in any charging IC, usually the upper gate and lower gate should be there, right, to switching purpose. For that, a driver IC should be there, that is boot. Okay, here these pins are very easy to understand. So boot is for driver IC, boot is a driver IC for low gate and upper gate. Okay, these are upper gate is for higher gate MOSFETs, higher MOSFETs gate, and L gate is for lower MOSFETs gate. Phase is the output, right? Here LX2 as given, this one will be given somewhere like this. Okay, now it's a VDDP. It internally some voltage should be there. It's maybe 5 volts, 6 volts. Okay, VDDP. And low gate 1, see, this same common thing I told you. Boot 1 is the driver IC for these 2 gates. Okay, upper gate MOSFETs and lower MOSFETs gate voltage. See here, this over phase 1. Phase 1 is LX1. See, this is the LX1 output. Like that, LX2 also will be there. We need to check, but the concept is we need to understand the pin details. Now the pin number 13 not connected, so need not to worry about that. So 14 and 15 both are connected to the CLR, adapter CLR. Pin number 16, it's a 20 volts. Right, SDC in is a 20 volts. So DC in, here actually 2 input are given. I don't know what is that because I don't have data sheet. Okay, ADP 1 and here 17 means it has 2 inputs. One is pin number 16, other one is pin number 17. It's a input voltages in intercell. It's not BQ. BQ usually last pin, 24th pin or 20 something. Last pin will be there. Here is a 17 and 16. It's a VDD also some voltage. Usually VDD will be how much? So usually 5 or 3.3. Let us check in practically. Okay, what voltage we will get in this. AC in usually 2.4. Okay, so C min I don't know really. Here as per this maybe 2.4. SDACL usually 2.6 to 3.3. Usually 3.3 only will come. Okay, here it's a pro chart, maybe 1 volts. In practically we need to check. AC okay, it's a 2.5 or 6. Bat gun, in case battery is connected, the battery information it will show. Here CM out, sometimes see bat gun won't be connected. Battery present, actually here as per this some voltage should be there, but in practically will be there or not, we will check. In normal battery chargers we were getting bat gun, but in biscuit kind of batteries we are not getting this. Comparator output, this is the input actually, pin number 28 is the input, output is this one, programmer, so let it be as it is, AM1 or BM1, it's adapter monitor or battery monitor. So here if we come, PC, it's a power system information. Here is the VBAT, it's a battery voltage as given, right? See, this is a battery voltage, where it will be here, somewhere here, yes. Okay, battery. So next, next, what is that? B gate over, VBAT, B gate, everything got over. So generally we looked at it, right? So practically what will be the voltage in each pin, I have a video, I will show you. According to that we will check from the beginning. Okay, I will play now pin number 1 to 32. Okay, now pin number 1, 109, it's a millivolts. Pin number 1, actually battery is not connected, 2. That's why 1 and 2 won't be there. See, pin number 1 and 2, it's a CLR, right? Battery CLR. 109 millivolts. And VCC is the pin number 3, it's a 19, should be there, but some voltage will drop. We'll check. Pin number 3. See, this one is depends on motherboard architecture. Okay. 17.1 volts. 17.1 volts. This is the output voltage. The same voltage will go all over the motherboard. 4. Pin number 4. What is that? It's a boot. 22.96 volts. See the graph. How it looks like. It's a frequency. So it's moving like this. High low, nothing but it's a frequency. Okay. Okay, it's a 22.96 little bit up. Millivolts. Average is came from here to here up. Volts. Here it is started and again volts. It's a frequency started. It's a boot voltage. Boot over. What is that? Boot number 2. 5. Upper gate. Upper gate. See, it's a frequency. This is 10 volts approximate. High gate. Pin number 6. Pin number 6. 7.7 volts. It's phase. A high gate. Yeah, it's a phase. Sorry, it's a low gate. 7 volts we are getting. I don't know for what. Pin number 7. It's a lower gate. Actually, lower gate it's producing. See? Nothing. I told it's nothing, but 8. Something was there. Okay. Number 8. Nothing. Something is there actually. Pin number 9. I told nothing. I'll come back and once again I'll show you. See, something is there. It's a 5 volts actually. Pin number 9. Pin number 9. What is that? Pin number 9. It's a low gate. Again I told nothing. I think so. Here pin nothing. Number 10. I didn't check. I think so. This one. See. The graph, it's a 7.75 volts. It's lower gate, I didn't check. Looks. This one is phase 1. Okay, see, it's coming like this. Sir, this one is LX1. Next 11. That also same approximate.
Upper gate.
High gate. Its voltage is 14 volts. See.
Okay, this one is upper gate 11.
Okay.
How it looks in DSO. See. Upper gate.
Pin number 11. Pin number 12.
11. Pin number 12 now. Which one? It's a 12 is the boot one. See the boot one.
Pin number 12.
The frequency it will start from ear to ear. It's a little bit up, and from there some frequency will start.
See, it will travel like this.
See how it's traveling.
Number 13.
Number 13
No,
not connected.
Not connected.
Right.
Pin number 14.
Pin number 14 CLR voltage.
14 is 20.4 volts.
20.4.
CS ion in. Negative. Positive. 20.4
It's
volts.
a CLR. Adapter CLR 1.
16. So 20.4 volts.
Which one is 16? 16 is ADP. See, it's the input actually.
Pin number 17.
17 also input. 20 point something. See,
20.2 volts. Pin number 18.
Pin number 18. VDD. It's a 5 volts.
5.1
VDD,
volts.
usually 5.1 volts.
Pin number 19.
19 AC in. 3.6.
No, 3.3 volts. 3.6 volts. 20.
Number 20.
So 85 millivolts.
Nothing is there.
85 millivolts. 21.
21. SDA. SCL.
2.6 volts.
2.6 volts.
22. 2.6 volts.
2.6 volts.
23. 85 millivolts.
23. 85 millivolts.
24.
24.
4.6 volts.
4.6 volts. 24.
25.
AC okay. Oh, AC okay. 4.6 volts. How it possible?
85 millivolts.
That's why I'm telling you. It depends on architecture.
26.
26.
85 millivolts.
85 millivolts.
27.
27.
85 millivolts.
85.
28.
28. Comparator. Input.
1.28 volts.
28. So 1.2 volts.
29.
29.
85
Nothing.
millivolts.
Nothing.
30.
30. It's a power system.
85 millivolts.
Nothing.
31.
31 and 32. VBAT. VBAT means it's a battery voltage. Battery is not connected. Next, it's a 32.
98 millivolts.
That also nothing is there.
32.
32 is the last one. Yes, one voltage is there. 17 voltage.
17.1 volts.
See, what is that? 17.1 volts. It's a B gate. B gate charge. B gate charge somewhere will be there. B gate charge. Okay. This one is discharging MOSFET. 17 volts. 17 volts. So it will be off. To put it off condition, so that voltage is producing now. Okay, that's it guys. So here is the simplest dictation of this particular IC. So if you want in deep, so once I get the
data sheet completely. I'll tell you, this is almost deep only, right? So in easy manner I explained you. So how you will take, it depends on your mentality. Thank you very much.